Sony's latest high-end phones have proven to be a mix between the Xperia XZ2 Compact and the regular XZ2. However, it could offer a better opportunity among the most affordable phones. It is launching the Xperia XA2 Plus, bringing the company's latest design language and, more importantly, the mid-range features. It builds on existing XA2 phones with a 6-screen, 18:9 inches Full HD Plus ratio and the first use of Sony's high-resolution audio technology in a mid-priced phone. Splurge high-end hardware to improve the quality of compressed melodies or Bluetooth music streaming. Otherwise, you are seeing the XA2 presented at the beginning of 2018, although that is not necessarily a bad thing. The Plus includes a reasonably fast Snapdragon 630 either 4GB or 6GB of RAM, 32GB to 64GB of storage, a 23-megapixel rear camera and an 8-megapixel wide-angle selfie camera. There is a large 3580 mAh battery inside, which is a good omen even with a large screen that drains power. Sony delivers the XA2 Plus from August.